Alright guys, so I've been working on projects, just overlooked this mess. I haven't put it all back together yet. I've been working on stuff. I'll get that all tidied up, but winter's coming on. We're not getting much solar now, so I needed, I have 400 watts of solar on the roof, but I need other ways to get, my house batteries charged up. So instead of buying a battery isolator and all that fancy Amazon stuff that just, I'm the type, if I can make it, I will. I don't buy nothing if I can make it. And I always got plenty of supplies. I carry with me tools, wire, screws I save, door handles. I don't throw nothing away. But I had this toggle switch. So I got to thinking, well, all a battery isolator is an interrupter between your starting battery and your house batteries. That's all it is. It just interrupts, lets power through, or it stops power from coming through. So this toggle switch will do the same thing. So I run me a hot wire from the battery, starting battery, out underneath the hood, plugged it into this toggle switch. Of course, you can't really see it, but this wire is on the other side of the toggle switch. I've run it down, which like I said, I got to tidy all this up, so don't nobody freak out. But I run it down through the floor with the ground. I just run a ground straight from the battery, starting battery up front, underneath the floor of the van. It goes down to outside. I've ran it hot and ground full length of the van. I come back here again. Don't nobody freak out. I'm gonna clean all this up. I've just finished this project, but I came up through the floor here. Now the ground wire is going direct from battery to battery. It's just a ground. That's all it is. The hot wire is coming from the starting battery to that toggle switch up underneath the van, coming out of the floor right here, and I've got it hooked to my house batteries. I know the sun's really bright, you can't see, but the toggle switch is my interrupter. It's my isolator, so to speak. So I flip it on, it puts power to my system back here and charges these batteries off the alternator. If I flip the toggle switch off, it kills the power from the alternator to these house batteries. But don't worry everybody, I've got everything fused. If you can see it, there's my fuse box, charge controller, my converter, output. I'm gonna get all this cleaned back up. I had to pull everything out so I could do my project. I'm gonna get it all cleaned back up and button up, and yeah, this is one of my projects done. Now I can charge the battery when I'm driving, or maybe just start the van up and just give it a little boost maybe during the night or something like that. Didn't cost me a dime, just used materials I already had. As you can see, I carry everything I need. I got milk crate full of oil, tranny fluid, washer fluid, brake fluid. Back there is I don't know how many boxes of screws and nuts and bolts, and that black case right there full of just pieces of wire, switches, you name it, I save it. Here's some more junk. I got zip ties, more electrical stuff, meter, more snippets of wire I save. I don't get rid of nothing, people. I don't get rid of anything. Here's an old steel cable that's supposed to be like a dog runner or dog leash. I'm saving it, thinking I might need it for something one day. You never know. But anywho, oh yeah, in case y'all wondering, there's my diesel heater. But yeah, there's another project done. Scratch that one off the list. All right, see you folks later.